Tom, what is this box?
Oh, it is my new smartwatch.
A smartwatch? When did you buy this?
I bought it yesterday afternoon.
But you already have a good watch.
Yes, but this one is much better.
And what is this paper on the table?
That is the credit card bill.
Let me look at this bill.
It is not a big deal, Lucy.
Not a big deal? This watch was $200.
I know, but it was on sale.
$200 is a lot of money.
I really wanted it for my morning runs.
We are trying to save money, Tom.
I know, we are saving money.
Did you buy anything else?
I just bought 2 new shirts.
2 new shirts? You have a lot of clothes.
But I need them for the office.
You used the credit card again.
Yes, I used the credit card.
We agreed to pay with cash only.
I didn't have enough cash yesterday.
I am very disappointed, Tom.
Please don't be angry, Lucy.
We have a goal for our family.
I understand. I made a mistake.
You always say it is a mistake.
I work hard. I want nice things sometimes.
I work hard too, but I don't buy expensive things.
You are right. I am sorry.
Can you return the watch to the store?
I already opened the box.
You can still take it back.
Really? I really want to keep it.
We will talk about this more after dinner.
Okay, we will talk later.
Now, please help me with the cooking.
Yes, Lucy, I am coming.
Tom, let's sit down and talk.
Okay, I am ready to listen.
Why did you buy that expensive watch?
Because I really wanted it.
There is a difference between want and need.
What do you mean, Lucy?
We need food and electricity.
Yes, those are very important.
You want a smartwatch, but you don't need it.
I guess you are right.
Our goal is to buy a new house.
I know. We need a house for the baby.
Exactly, but we cannot save money like this.
$200 is not a lot.
It is a lot when you use the credit card.
I will pay the bill next month.
Then we have to pay extra interest.
I forgot about the interest.
We waste money when we do this.
I don't want to waste our money.
We must stop buying unnecessary things.
But shopping makes me feel happy.
I understand, but saving money is more important.
How can we reach our goal?
We must be strict with ourselves.
It is very hard for me.
It is hard for me, too.
You are very good with money, Lucy.
I just think about our future.
You are a very good wife.
Thank you, but I need you to help me.
I will. I promise to do better.
I will help you control your spending.
Please do. I really need your help.
It takes time to build a good habit.
I'm willing to learn.
That makes me feel very happy.
I will return the watch tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Tom. That is the right choice.
Anything for our family.
Tom, we need a new plan for our money.
Okay, what kind of plan?
I think I should manage all our money.
What? Manage all the money?
Yes, please give me your credit cards.
Give you my cards?
No way. You buy too many expensive things.
It was just one watch, Lucy.
No, it is a bad habit. You waste our money.
I work hard for my money.
I work hard too,
But we need a house.
I know, but I'm an adult.
Then act like an adult. Stop shopping.
You are treating me like a child.
I just don't trust you with the credit card.
That is very unfair, Lucy.
It is fair. We cannot save money like this.
I will cancel the card, okay?
No, just give it to me. I will keep it safe.
I need some money for myself.
I will give you cash every week.
An allowance like a little boy?
It is a budget. It helps us save.
I really hate this idea, Lucy.
Do you want a new house or not?
Yes, I want a house.
Then you have to listen to me.
We're a team, not boss and worker.
A team makes good choices together.
But you are making all the rules.
Because you made a bad choice today.
Fine, here is the credit card.
Thank you. This is for our future.
I still don't like it.
You will thank me later.
I hope you are right.
We will save money very fast now.
Let's try it for 1 month.
Good. It is a good plan.
We will see, Lucy.